Okay, fellas, Ben back again with another one. This time it's going to be the much anticipated Himalayan 450, and it's not called the Himalayan 450. I got a chance to speak with some test riders and stop them on the road, chase them, and kind of requested them to have a small, quick conversation with me, and they were kind enough to stop, and we had a nice healthy 10-15 minute conversation on two bikes. One was the adventure Himalayan looking, and the other was a more street biased variant. Everything was an identical copy of the adventure, sparing the speedo console and the suspension. So the suspension was it was low, it was more street oriented, and the speedometer was placed at a different angle. It was placed upright vertically looking at you on the face on the adventure motorcycle. It's because I'm calling it adventure is because they don't know what it is going to be called yet. And they say it's adventure. And a subscriber of mine commented on my previous video saying it's going to be titled the Sherpa. So don't really know if that's going to be the case, but we'll have to wait and see. All said and done, these two bikes looked really nice, and yeah. So now, when can you expect it? The million-dollar question. When can you expect it on the roads? Based on what I have seen, test riders testing motorcycles here and their launch, the time span is not less than 2 years. So it usually is 2 years. I don't know if they're going to have an accelerated approach to this particular model. It's because there's too many players now, too many brands launching adventure bikes one after the other, upgrades and so on and so forth. So don't really know if Royal Enfield is going to be hurrying the launch of this particular motorcycle. They're going to be coming up with it soon. But what I have seen from testing from these bikes that are being tested here, they usually get launched for the public into the market a year and a half or two, somewhere in that time span. So now that I'm starting to see the Himalayan 450, I've been seeing it for about 2-3 months now. You're looking at a launch of 2024. Yeah, early 2024 or late 23. Any which ways, that's quite a lot of time for you to still enjoy your Himalayan. For the people who are, dying to upgrade, you still have enough time with your current Himalayans. So do have a good time with it. Treat it well. And there you go. That's about it. Those are my thoughts. These wonderful clips for you.